This is the OtterBox Symmetry. It's going to be on this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've been using the Symmetry OtterBox cases for a long time. Let's open it up here. You can see what's inside. This is what it looks like right here. Looks just like a standard case. Nothing crazy on here. No, like, it's not too heavy duty and it's not too light. I like these because it fits in your pocket easy. It's got the camera border right here. It's got the side thingies, and it just does a really nice job. You can see it just slides right in here. And it's not a very heavy duty case, but you can see here, it just fits in here really good. And it's gonna do all the protection. It's got the side protection here, access to the buttons, and the screen protector here. You can see it's just got a very little lip on here, but I've dropped this from like waist height and it has not had any problems with it. Never cracked a screen with any of these. I've been using the OtterBox Symmetry for since many iPhones ago, but this is the 12 Pro Max. Using the smaller ones, I believe I have like an iPhone, the XR, the iPhone 10 or whatever. It was the smaller one. It worked just as well, but for the Pro Maxes, this is a really great one here. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like here. Simple, easy to use. You can pop this off right away. Very easy to put on and off, but overall, this is definitely my go-to phone case and has been for a long time. Really great item here.